Hey everyone, here is a full body routine with 6 simple strength exercises using just your body weight. But before you start, make sure to do a proper warm-up. Do your own routine or you can try my warm-up routine here on my channel. Start with push-ups, one of the most effective upper body exercises to hit your chest, shoulders and triceps.
Keep your core tight, body in a straight line from your head to your feet and lower under control. Use a chair or a wall to make it easier.
We've hit the front of the upper body with push-ups. Now it's time to target the posterior side.
IYT raises build your upper back and rear delts. Crucial for good posture and shoulder health. Lay face down, lift your arms into an I, then a Y, then a T. Focus on control, not height.
Now that we've worked the upper body, let's move to the lower half.
Bodyweight squats are one of the best moves to build your legs. Feet shoulder width apart, chest up, sit back into your hips and drive through your heels. Aim for thighs parallel to the floor. Use a chair to make it easier.
Time to strengthen your lower back with Superman holds.
Lift your arms and legs off the ground, squeeze your glutes and hold. Keep your legs on the ground to make it easier.
Now, glute bridges, perfect for building your glutes and hamstrings.
Push through your heels, lift your hips and squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Avoid pushing your hips too high. Rest on the floor between reps to make it easier.
Finish strong with the plank, your ultimate full body stabilizer.
Stay tight from head to toe. Aim to make a straight line from your head to your feet. No sagging, no arching.
That's your 6 simple, effective and beginner-friendly strength exercises. Stay here to cool down your body with a couple of simple stretches. Do 2 to 3 rounds for a quick full body workout anywhere, anytime. Be consistent and you will start moving better. See you next time with another workout.